This is the Oleo-Mac BCH 250T strimmer bush cutter, petrol powered, and I'm just going to show you how to put on the strimmer attachment and the blade attachment and remove them as well afterwards, because even though I'd been shown, I quickly forgot. These are all the bits and pieces that it comes with, including all the tools you need for setup, maintenance, attaching the blade and strimmer attachment and so on. Also comes with a harness. The other things I suggest you get are a face guard, and always wear decent quality safety boots when operating. If you bought it from an actual shop and an actual person, it'll have probably sorted all this out for you, but putting on and removing these things, it's always a good idea to have something to remind you how to do it properly. So the best way to do it is to flip it over so you can get at the business end. When you look at where the attachments go, you'll see a little hole here and a little groove there, and that's where you're going to be sticking your Allen key when you're fitting and removing things to stop this rotating. It's difficult to see what you're doing when you've got the attachments on. To put the strimmer attachment on, first this big chunky bit goes on, locates in position. This bit goes in the middle. You can see the strimmer symbols there. That goes on top of that, and then the bit with the cord in goes on top again. It's not lefty loosey righty tighty, it's the opposite way around, which prevents it coming off when it's operating. To remove the attachment, you stick your Allen key in that little hole, start turning this to the right when it's located, and off it comes. It's easy as that. To attach the brush cutter blade, this goes back on again. Then the blade fits neatly on there, and then this little chap goes on top and locates nicely there. That goes on top of there, and the nut goes in the top. Again, screwing it opposite way around. This is where we need our little Allen key again, so we can stop it turning. Trying to find the little hole in that. There we go. There we go. That's it. It's a job that needs several more hands than you have, ideally. Et voila. And to remove that, we do the opposite, don't we? Allen key into the hole again, and turn it to the right to loosen it. Nut, thing, other thing, blade, and that stays on if I want to put the strimmer attachment back on. On the back of here there's a choke switch, which you switch on if it's not been started for quite some time. Then there's a little button, can you see it just under there, little, just do that a few times to pump some fuel in, and you can see it going in. Once that's done, we'll just give it a few pulls. Another little squirt. Choke off and try again. Now let's see it in action.